Okay, we're at the William J. Pete Knight Veterans Home in Lancaster. We're in the back, and this is the putting green. As you can plainly see, they put this thing in about 4 years ago, maybe 5. Small, got 9 holes. AstroTurf. I'll show you here. And a couple times a month we have a little putting contests. Gets an extra couple bucks here to the vets. It's very nice of them to put this thing in. So I'll be featuring this in one of upcoming episodes of Life at the VA home in Lancaster. So we'll walk around here a little bit and see what we got. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places to sit. About 3 people each. That's 24. That's about half the people here. There's 60 residents here at the VA home in Lancaster. It's one of the activities that we have on property. Now we go out on field trips every Tuesday. I'm recording this in December, and the month of December and a little bit of November, last part from Thanksgiving on, is when we have groups and events and clubs and gift giving and choirs and orchestras, small bands from high schools. They come in and put on a little show for us during the afternoon. So we're well supported by the community at large here in Lancaster. Lancaster is a small city, maybe 130,000 or so, part of the Antelope Valley, which is Lancaster and Palmdale, about 250, 260 altogether. So let's go around and show you some more of our little putting green that we have here. And turn it around. So here's the putting green. It's AstroTurf instead of grass. That's easy to maintain, so that's good. Plus, with grass, you create divots, or if it's wet, you can't walk on it and things like that. So that's good that they put AstroTurf in. Nice day. This is actually December. The first couple weeks in December here in California. The weather's like this all the time, so we get kind of used to it. Don't have any tournaments coming up this month though, because we have so much outdoor activities that are coming here. But the guys seem to like to enjoy this. It's free. They can come out anytime. This building right here, the Boy Scouts in our area made this for us. And it's a place to put the golf clubs, golf balls, gets everything up out of the weather. No lock on it, so anybody on our property can just come here and use it. And I believe there's a dedication on here. Eagle Project was done June of 2019. Andrew J. Brownlee, I guess Troop 39, special thanks. Actually, Lowell's of East Palmdale donated, and Home Depot donated some of the equipment. So this is our putting green that we have here. Where there you can see the bike rack. That's kind of fenced off from the wind. Because Lancaster gets a lot of wind in this area, so we're here. So this is just a quick little tour of our golf course, little putting green. I'll go ahead and do another video with this, showing you some of the guys putting maybe. If we have anybody that comes out here, they're kind of camera shy. They don't want to get on the camera very much, so we'll see what we can do. So that's all for now. More coming later.